It's been an ongoing trend to see the average price of a new vehicle edge upward. In 2023, that figure was around $47,000 for a light vehicle, about $10,000 above what we saw pre-pandemic. But recent data suggests that lower-priced new vehicles are experiencing a bit of a renaissance. Or perhaps more accurately, price-conscious consumers are snapping them up before they're gone forever. Motor One recently reviewed auto industry sales data for the third quarter and noted some big increases in auto buys in the sub-$20,000 price bracket, a segment that includes just a handful of vehicles. Of those, the Kia Forte sales rates were up 6%, Nissan Versas 64%, and Mitsubishi Mirages were up a stunning 114%, even as the Mirage is set to be discontinued. CarGurus data shows that the next bracket, vehicles priced between $20,000 and $30,000, sustained growth of almost 44%. Meanwhile, luxury vehicle purchases in the highest price segment have fallen precipitously. Vehicles priced at $100,000 or more have seen purchases over the last 9 months fall by almost 46% compared to a year earlier. Kevin Roberts, CarGurus Director of Economic and Market Intelligence, said in a statement to Quartz, quote, "After years of post-pandemic revenge spending, consumers are becoming more prudent as they face economic uncertainty, still high interest rates, and vehicle prices that remain elevated." Still, the average cost of a new vehicle in August stayed consistent with 2023 figures at around $47,000, suggesting, perhaps, that pricing is at least stable for now. I'm Anna Wells, and this is Manufacturing Now.